Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Ajay from eeehub, and in this video tutorial you are going to learn about dictionary in Python. In the previous session we have discussed about tuple in Python. So let's start the session. So what is dictionary? Before discussing the term dictionary data type, first try to understand the analogy here. You have home and your home must have some address. So the address will be linking to your home. So when somebody try to reach your home, they require your address. By help of your address, they can reach your home. So your home is paired with your address. Similarly, in Python, we have dictionary data type in which they have key and value pair. Each key will be related to their values. So we can say that dictionary is a key value pair data type enclosed inside a curly braces. Okay, so each key and value will be separated by comma, and these key and value will be inside the curly braces. So, and the key, that is key here, the key can be any data type, but mainly they will be a string or integer, and the value can be any data type. For example, we have string, we have float, we have integer and list, tuple, and it could be a dictionary also. Okay, so for creating a dictionary, this is the syntax. So you need to just write down the variable name of that dictionary, then assign operator followed by the open and close curly braces. So the second example having key and value pair, and these key and value pair is separated by comma. So the first key is key 1 and it is related to value by using this ratio sign. Okay, by using this ratio sign, key will be related to the value. Similarly, we have key 2 and these key 2 will be related to value 2 by using ratio sign, and these pair will be separated by using comma. So this is the way that how you can create a dictionary in Python. So here we have example, like this is the dictionary variable name and we have assign operator, and here you see that these key and value pair will be inside the open and close curly braces. One is the key of apple and 2 is the key of pineapple, and each key and value pair is separated by comma. Similarly, we have dictionary dict underscore email, and these emails having here you see that the key is a string data type. So either you can use integer or you can use a string. You can use other data type also, but mainly we use string and integer. So we have a name of that person as a key, and the value of that key is sam@gmail.com. Similarly, we have John and john@gmail.com. So this is the way that how you can create a dictionary in Python. So now we will try to know how we can access data from the dictionary that we have created. So first you need to just write down the dictionary name followed by the square bracket, open and close square bracket, and inside the open and close square bracket you need to write down the key of that value that you want to bring from the dictionary. Suppose for example we want to extract the apple from this dict underscore fruit dictionary variable name. So first of all you have to just write down the dict underscore fruit, then you have to write down the open and close square bracket, and inside the open and close square bracket you need to write down 1, and that will help you to get data from that dictionary. So let's jump into the command prompt to understand it in a better way. So now we are in command prompt. You have to just write on Python here to open the interactive way. Now I will create one empty dictionary So I will write dict underscore var. Okay, so this is our variable name dict underscore var, and I will write on open and close curly braces, sorry. And then we will want to know the type of this variable, so you have to use a type function, then dict underscore var, and it will return the class of that variable, that is dict. And dict is a short form of dictionary. Okay, now I will create one dictionary, that is fruit. Let me name it as a fruits, and here I will, inside the open and close curly braces, I will write on the key and value pair. So key is 1 and value will be apple, and key and value pair will be key, and here you see the key and value pair will be related by using ratio sign. Okay, then I will write on the second key, and then I will write on the value, that is mango, then third key, and I will write on orange. So this is how you can create a dictionary having key and value pair. Now I will try to get data from this dictionary. For accessing the data from the dictionary, you have to just write on the dictionary name. In our case, the dictionary name is fruit. Then you have to write on the open and close square bracket, and inside the open and close square bracket you need to write on the key value. Here we have key value 1, 2 and 3. So if you want to access the mango, you have to write on the key as a 2 here. So I will write on 2 here, sorry. You have to write on inside the square bracket. Once you will write on and hit enter, it will give you mango. Suppose you want to access data that is orange. Okay, for that you have to just write on the dictionary variable name, that is fruit, followed by this open and close square bracket, and the orange having a key as a 3, so you have to write on the 3 inside the open and close square bracket. Okay, and this will return orange. So I hope now you have a clear understanding about the dictionary and how you can access the data from the dictionary. So if you have any query regarding the dictionary, then please comment down below. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.